Oh, dude, your clutch. I'm already gonna. I apologize in advance.
No, you're good, man.
I'm gonna be very, very careful.
You're good, you're good.
But
it is rough.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we have a boosted 9th gen Civic Si. It is a turbocharger, and this is going to be awesome.
How's it going, guys? My name is Brendan. Like he said, it's a boosted 9th gen. Really sleeper though, so no one will suspect that it's actually boosted.
That's the thing. Like as soon as he pulled up, I'm like, is that the 9th?
Why is it making weird noises? But yeah.
Totally sleeper, because you still have the stock wheels. You still have obviously no lip, no nothing. Stock suspension?
No, it's on Godspeed Mono RS.
Okay.
Coilovers.
Okay. Oh, I guess not. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it'll
like literally rev it a little bit.
Yeah, just rev it whenever you start it up. Yep, there you go,
bro.
Yeah, so it's a little rough.
Hey man, sleeper, dude.
Yep.
This is gonna be fun. Okay. And one thing that I will point out is that there's like a lot of gauges right here. So like in like phones, and you got a gauge there, you got a gauge here.
Yep.
Like you got a lot of things going on right here.
Yeah, so yeah, just to kind of break that down, my actual phone's right there for the speedo, because when my trans is rebuilt, shout out to Ali for rebuilding my transmission, the speed sensor on like bigger gears wouldn't fit, so it actually like cut up the OEM like spot, so he had to put a spacer in between.
Oh my god!
But now my actual speedometer reads off, so I'm gonna get that fixed by him, because I'm not really good with wiring and just like basic stuff. But
I do notice you have 100,000 miles.
Yeah.
All right.
100,000 miles. I got it when I was like 69,000 miles for like.
How long have you been boosted for?
8 months.
8 months.
8 months now.
You like? Is this the first kit and how it is now, or did you gradually just start putting more into it?
Okay, so yeah, I gradually started putting more into it. So
okay.
It's a MakSpeed turbo kit. Shout out to MakSpeed. They make, like, you know, turbo kits for 9th gen platforms. Originally I started off on 7 pounds of boost with 1000cc injectors, and I was running pump gas too, and like all of that, that's good enough for like 350 wheel horsepower, 7 pounds.
And that's on 91 too.
Yeah,
dude.
it's on pump. Yeah, and then eventually, like, just doing some spirited driving, and my third gear blew up.
Normally that's
mid-drive. Luckily, I was around my house. So I just pushed it back to my garage and rebuilt the trans, and from there, I actually just sent it 18 pounds of boost.
Dude, all right.
So I went from 7 to 18 within like.
So built trans, stock motor.
Just a fully stock K24 Z7.
Gotcha.
Built
okay.
trans.
And then you said you also have low boost, medium, high boost.
So there's spring. So I have a 7 pound spring inside, so you can run 7 pounds. It's not set to 7 pounds right now though, so you're actually just on 12 pounds right now.
Okay.
And then I have some spring, low boost, and high boost. Those are my 3 settings.
Okay, gotcha.
I haven't set up scramble boost yet. So.
That's okay. This is gonna be fun.
Yep.
Oh yeah, and then hybrid racing short shifter, right?
Yep. Oh yeah.
So this is. Oh damn, dude.
It's real crisp.
Is your clutch throw? Is it like low, high?
It feels like it's kind of low.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's hella low. Okay.
Yeah.
That is really low.
Yep.
When I get back in mine, my clutch left leg is already like.
Yeah, you already adjusted.
I get adjusted so quick. I remember when I got back into my car and I drove. I drove my friend's 10th gen, because he has, I think, a competition stage 2 clutch.
Oh yeah.
It was a huge difference, dude. I stalled as soon as I got in my car.
Yeah, the competition clutches are kind of heavy. I'm not even gonna lie. But you can actually turn traction control off. You just gotta hold the button.
Okay.
It will bog if like you try doing a pull on.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna drive normal. Oh, that thing wanted to go right there.
Yeah, VTEC's at 4,000 RPM.
4,000. Okay.
For the turbo, it's really impressive how much power it's pushing. Hopefully we can hook in third.
Hopefully hook in third.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, baby.
Let's go.
All right, now I gotta go slow here. Oh, dude. Oh,
You're not even hitting boost.
I'm not even hitting boost, dude. Okay. Dude, that sound is what every 10th gen owner wants. The freaking whoosh.
Yeah.
What gear do you recommend doing a quick one? I'm in 5th right now. Go down to 4th.
Yeah, you should go, if you want to like feel like some like good stuff, I would drop to like 50 miles per hour and then go into 3rd. You kind of have to jab it on the downshifts. Yeah, I would send it now. If you
Right
want.
here?
Yeah.
Oh! Okay. I don't need high boost. I don't need the high boost. How much pounds was this one?
That was 12.
Oh my dude, I have a death grip on my left hand right now, dude.
I get tunnel vision when I try.
Oh my god.
And so you actually only revved up to like 5,500 RPM. It's because you know that little like bouncing that you did? That was like the...
That was the rev limiter, right?
Yeah, no, it wasn't. It was actually you putting like lightly tapping the clutch. So whenever...
What?
Yeah, you can't have your foot on the clutch at all. It has to be like fully
Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so you weren't hitting boost cut or anything. You just tapped the clutch accidentally.
Dog. My foot was like all like... Okay.
Yeah, no, you're straight, man.
What the hell?
At 12 pounds, this car is still pretty reliable. So feel free to do it again, man. It ruins the power.
I don't see anybody in front of me, so... That just popped?
Yep.
Shit. Okay. Dude! Okay. Nope. I'm gonna get in trouble.
Oh,
I'm gonna get in trouble, and you are right. I did definitely feel a difference right there.
Yeah.
And I have such a habit of like not hovering over my clutch, but like basically hovering over my clutch. Like, yeah, dude, yours. Damn, dude.
I haven't felt it from the passenger seat.
Really?
So this is like new to me.
Dude,
The car pulls.
that car pulled, man. I had to hold on for life right there.
It's fun. Yeah, it is absolutely fun.
Oh my god, dude, that was definitely a different fucking experience, dude.
Oh yeah.
Holy
Thank God for E85, right?
That's the smell right there, dude.
Yep.
I'm getting a specific high, and I don't think it's the turbo. It's that E85, brother.
Man. Yeah.
Like, hang the fuck on. I forget how much more torque the K24 is compared to a K20. You know, like all this like torque steer and everything, dude.
Yeah,
it's no joke.
Oh, it's crazy in high boost, man.
It's no joke, dude. I definitely...
You can try second if you want.
Nani? Yes, aye aye, Captain. Alright. Nope! That's gonna shit at me. Oh, fuck. Hey, yo, how about I just part out my 10th gen and just...
Swap back to a 9.
Let's get back to stock, guys. I'm gonna get a 9th gen and like just boost that shit. Holy dude. When does your turbo kick in?
44.
44, and you said VTEC kicks in at 45?
Like 42.
42,
like
okay.
Yeah. It's a decently like size. It's a 62, so
Okay.
it's pretty big for its like power.
Yeah, you get it all over the place, bro. All over the place.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. I need to pull over somewhere. Eargasm. Okay, I'm done. All right, I'm done. Let me go ahead and just pull over before I start being more dangerous with this vehicle.
It's fun.
Got it. You made me grab the oh shit handle. Holy shit.
That was actually not even peak boost. I gotta turn it up more.
There's more?
I could turn it up like by like just a couple flicks.
Oh my god, dude.
This should fix it. That was only 15 pounds on high boost.
Only 15 pounds, dog. Meanwhile, I'm pushing 28, struggling to make power. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say, on my coils, I'm actually running a stock strut.
Stock strut?
Stock strut shock on the back.
What the f?
Yeah, just because kind of like driving the car when it's not like, you know what I mean?
No, yeah. I was about to say, for those coilovers that you're rocking, it's not that bouncy. It's kind of like smooth.
Yeah, it's kind of smooth.
Oh my gosh. First gear, dude. Dude, this thing screams.
Yeah, I don't have any traction on that.
This makes, oh, there's the bounciness. I almost hit your roof. Dude, this thing screams, guys. This is such an amazing freaking car, dude. This thing moves. Oh my God. This is definitely a good check off the bucket list, man. Boosted 9th gen Civic, man. Let's go. This is such a nice ride. And that's the nice thing, like we mentioned before throughout the entire video. You're never gonna expect it. You're never gonna expect it with this car, dude. Even right now, you're just cruising. It's such a sleeper. It's like an undercover racer, you know what I mean? Like, this is definitely such a nice, like, experience.
I got this rolling anti-lag switch set up too. I just haven't dialed it in yet.
Okay, I was about to say you're gonna scare me even more. Anti-rolling lag.
Yeah, no, this is all thanks to my tuner. Honestly, he's the one who like really set this up.
Really? Who are you tuned by?
You guys don't even know. His name is Xander, but he goes by Zoller.
Zoller, okay.
Zoller tune. So he's specifically just for the turbo 9th gen platform.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, he's only like 20. He's like 20 years old.
Are you serious?
And yeah, he tuned my late nights of just tuning, but he dialed it in pretty good for me.
Only turbo 9th gens? He doesn't do superchargers or NA or anything?
I'm sure you can if you ask, but he.
Okay, this is gonna be a random question. The most impressive, or I guess you can say, unexpected kill you've done?
It would have to be. Well, I haven't raced like a lot of people lately, like who actually like work on cars. It's just been like stock, like
random NPC people just driving by.
Yeah, like I'm not the type to race anyone, but I have. I put a car and a half on a Hellcat, like a stock Hellcat.
Stock Hellcat. That's still a Hellcat. That's impressive.
I raced my buddy's. He has a B58 330i, and
oh yeah, this road sucks.
Yeah, he's making a decent amount of power, but
the B58s, those are the new Beamers, huh?
Yeah, they have the little super engine, but it's just detuned.
Dude, I keep hearing so many good things about the B58 platform. How it's just like
it's crazy.
It's running the game right now. Yeah. Like it's a cheat code. Everybody just a tune and a freaking downpipe is all you need on those cars.
And if you want to even go like 600 wheel ups, bigger turbo and
oh my God,
port injection.
What made you want to get into the 9th gen? Over like, because people are gonna be like, why didn't you get 8th gen? Like obviously the 10th gen's out of the question because the power wise that it makes and stuff. But what was your inspiration to get the 9th gen in general?
Well, I've had an 8th gen prior to the 9th gen. Yeah, I had an 8th gen. I had a Kraftwerk supercharger on it.
Oh, okay.
And I was making like 330 wheel from like 110 millimeter pulley, and I was like, I mean, it's fun. It has a lot of torque and everything, but I sold the car and I left for deployment. So I was deployed for like 7 months, and I did my research. It was either between the 10th gen or the 9th gen.
Okay.
And I was like, 10th gen comes already turboed, but it's a 1.5.
Yeah. And that is the. Yeah.
And I was like, oh, well, what if I want to turn the power up sometime in the future? Because eventually you get bored of like driving a car. Like I'm kind of already bored of driving this car already. But I chose the 9th gen just because it had the K24, and I was like, might as well just boost the K24. It has like 4 more liter displacement.
Like the fact that you already had the 8th gen, you're like, I might as well try the 9th gen. Okay.
Yeah. And it's way slower compared to both of the cars. The 9th gen's like the heaviest and the slowest, like compared to the 10th and the 8th gen. You got high revving and then you got boosted.
Did you go straight into like full bolt on when you were NA? No. You just waited?
I waited until I got everything I needed to boost.
Normally that's what everybody does, is they go NA, realize it's not what they wanted, and then they're like, all right, I'm gonna go boost instead.
Yeah, I feel like it's just a waste of money. Like just for like an extra 20 horsepower, I think it's like a waste of money if you want to like actually go fast.
Dude, any advice for any people that are trying to go a boost route on the 9th gen?
I'd say just honestly save your money, and then while you're saving money, keep like an extra like $500-600 saved up just in case something breaks.
Yeah.
Because you will have something break in this car. Like at 7 pounds, you'll have something will happen.
At 7 pounds, yeah.
Yeah, I've had plenty of my fair share of things breaking in this car. So save your money. Don't drive it stupid like all the time. Like this is like the only time I've been driving it like crazy. I haven't driven it in 4 or 5 days. So
Really?
yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
It's been sitting in my garage.
All right, guys. Just for shits and giggles, this is gonna be a high boost pull. He wants to experience it. Yeah, that went all over the place, dude. You definitely need to have, you need a grip on this. Does it feel weird feeling it as the passenger?
Yeah, it takes a while to actually spool up because it's slightly bigger and it's a journal bearing.
The backfire though, man. It's a little bit
backfire on command.
Dude, that thing went like this.
That thing moves.
Oh shit.
That thing moves.
That's it. I'm taking us home. We're done.
It moves. Wow, that feels weird. That's crazy. It feels crazy on the.
Oh, you have that too.
Yep.
Nice.
You have the gap camera?
I have the gap camera.
Nice. It's like Honda almost like.
Like they knew what they were doing.
They knew they wanted to add that in case they wanted to, you know.
We're back, guys. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This has been an awesome build. Cornfed_9chin right over here, guys, if you guys want to give my boy a follow. Again, man, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to drive
pleasure,
this,
man.
High boost was such a huge difference, bro. That thing was grabbing everywhere.
You gotta make sure you gotta incorporate that.
High boost was there. Low boost was fun, but high boost, like death grip. All right, I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.